Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create images and download them for commercial purposes. Most of the image generation websites, you can have some limitations when it comes to the licensing, but this one, it's completely free to use for commercial purpose. Now to access this AI tool, you can come anywhere within your browser and you can just go ahead and type in Google, and then you can type in imagine anything AI, just like so. This is the AI tool that we're going to use, and you can see the first option over here, imagine anything.ai, and you brought in over here. So this is the prompting area where you can type in to generate your own image. But then if you want to use the available ones, you can see some existing ones. You can use them for inspiration. People have already created quite a lot. You can click on view full gallery, be able to have access to them, and you can be able to see different types of images. They have been categorized according to this is food, for example. You can see them of different types depending on what you are interested or what you are targeting, what you want to create. You can see some fantastic images that you can just go ahead and click to download and use it. You can click to download directly from here, or you can check out the categories. These are cartoons, these are watercolor, okay, watercolor related images. You can just see them, some fantastic images. This is clip art, and if you want to see animals from here, and you can use them directly depending on your creation or what you are targeting. These are royalty free images that you can use. And if you have a specific one that you are targeting, you can as well come over. You can see series of them that you can select and download, or you can check out. These are motivations that you can see. And if you have a specific one, you can come over here and just download. For example, I can say a card here. Like, let me go back to all, and I can say a card here, and you can see different kind of cards that you can see directly. So many of them that you can easily download and use for your own content. Okay, so many cards of different types. You can search for anything, monkey or anything, you can search and you'll be able to see them. And once you click, you can be able to download directly. You can see you can download directly from here, and then you can be able to see the prompt that generated the image, the category, the tags, and the model version that was used to generate this particular image. And then you can be able to see the license. This is royalty free and can be used for commercial and personal purposes under this license. Okay, so it's available. You can use it directly for easily. And then you can check the upgrade if you're interested in checking the upgrade, because this free version gives you the opportunity to download 10 free images per month. If you want more, you can go with the premium version, or you can go with the deluxe, which is going to give you more of the versions. Okay, so this is how to download. Let's go over to generation, because when you click on any one of them to download, once you click on anyone, you can just click on download. And then of course, if you are new, you have to enter, you have to log in to your account before you can have access to download the images. So as you log in, you can just go ahead and click to download, and easily you can see you've just downloaded that particular image. All right, so this is about creation, the downloading, how to select and download. Let's go back to creating or generating your own image. You can come over to generate here, and you can be able to say create with AI chat, or you can have classic creator where you can be able to generate on your own. Okay, so describe what you would like to create. So let's say a cat, okay, a cat riding a bicycle, and you can go ahead and just go ahead and generate. And you can see we have a fantastic image of a cat riding a bicycle. This is really next level. This is very interesting. You can just go ahead and click to download this, and you can see you've just downloaded a cat riding a bicycle. This is really fantastic. So this will create with AI chat. If you want classic creation, you can click on classic, and you can be able to type in your prompt over here, a monkey. So you can see you can change the aspect ratio from here. For example, you can go with square or widescreen or tall, depending on your choice. So let's go with widescreen, and so this one will have to upgrade. Okay, so you can change the aspect ratio depending if you are a premium user, and then you can have the reimagine prompt. It can help you to enhance it, so you can have the AI to enhance this particular prompt for you. Okay, so you can see it has just given us a detailed prompt about this particular monkey that is going to ride this bicycle. Now, advanced, you can have the option to generate the model to select a particular model that you are going to use. I found this model Flux to be the best when it comes to very realistic images, and Stable Diffusion also you can use it for creating drawing or something like that or related images, and then ideogram usually for graphics is usually one of the best. Now you have the option to vary the steps, the guidance, how related or how close do you want it to be with the prompt. As you move to the right, it is going to be very close to the prompt that you have, and if you move it to the left, it is going to use more of its imagination to create. And then the interval you can increase or decrease, but I usually keep it at default without disturbing anything. For now, you can select the flux, and then you can just go ahead and click on generate. And let's see what it is going to generate for us. And within some seconds, you can see it has just generated this. This is highly, highly fantastic. You can see the prompt. We can see the monkey riding a small car according to the description of the prompt that you have. Okay, so this basically concludes this tutorial on how to use Imagine Anything AI to generate your own images, or to use the available image and download it for your own content creation or for your commercial use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.